Now, the car importation process from Japan to Kenya and the document involved. Now, this starts with you. You identify the unit you are looking to import. Or kama uko bado na feel uko torn between two units, tunakuja tunakaa chini, tuna deliberate between the two which best suits your day-to-day life. Now, that's the unit we will import for you. You share the specs, that's the color, the engine size, kama gari iko na a few engine options in it, kama ni hybrid ama ni hybrid. The seating option, that is 5-seater, 7-seater, any way you want it, you share those specs. And this is the unit we will share options with you. We will share all the options in Japan with you. You are going to select the unit you are looking to import. After you identify the unit, you select the unit. We will bid for this unit. And first to bid for this unit, we request for a commitment deposit of 350,000 for cars above 1 million, and for cars below 1 million, something around 100k. Now, after we bid for this unit in the auction, there are two outcomes. Either we win the bid or we lose the bid. Let's go where we win, we lose the bid. When we lose the bid, we will share more options with you, okay? And if within a month we fail to share a unit that meets your taste, you are inclined to request for a deposit. 100% refund will be done within 2 days of request. Option 2, when we win the bid, we will now make a call to you, tell you that you have won the bid. Now we request for the 20% deposit required by best cars to import the cars from Japan up to the port of Mombasa. Now let's say for a case where the car is worth around 4 million, okay? So the 20% of this unit is 800k. Now ulikuwa unatupia ngapi? 350. So utatop up the balance remaining to make it to 20%, which is 800k of the 4M. After this, we will take this car for inspection by QISJ, which is hired by KEBS to do car inspection on their behalf. At this point, we will get the roadworthiness inspection, which includes the chassis, the VIN number, all the core vitals, the odometer reading of this car, and other vitals of the car. After this, we take the car to the Ministry of Transport in Japan, where we get the export certificate. This shows that this car was legally bought in Japan, and we have the permission to export this unit. After this, now we take this car to the shipping line, where it is shipped all the way from Japan to Kenya, and the shipping can take 3 weeks to 28 days thereabout. Okay, now when the car lands at the port of Mombasa, we'll let you know, and now you make the balance clearance of 80% to facilitate other payments like duty, the port clearing, car registration by NTC, all those small charges. Okay, from this point we will ferry this unit from Mombasa up to Nairobi, where our offices are located in Ruiru town. And please note, we don't drive our cars from Mombasa to Nairobi. We use the car carrier. Now, to import any unit from Japan to Kenya, visit Best Cars. We are located in Ruiru town, Greek Towers, third floor, and we are Best Cars.